Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jerry Zhao from China. My position is sales director for the whole South Asia market. Then, our Keda company was built in 2008 for more than 15 years for the AAC plant, holistic supplier. AAC is short for autoclaved aerated concrete. So this AAC plant is used for build the AAC blocks. The AAC blocks compared with the traditional clay bricks, there are many advantages. As we all know, the clay brick we use the land as raw material, but AAC block we just use the sand, lime, cement as raw material. So we can save some land, and this AAC block is very light, has many advantages. You know, in 2018, our first AAC production line in Bangladesh was Tilotoma Group. They buy our first AAC production line. So we believe that AAC plant in Bangladesh has a bright future here. Thank you very much. Thank you.